Hello, this video tutorial is to help you use OneSearch. This video will cover tip number 4, understanding your search results. So here I've just made a search for library spaces. You can see that there is a lot of information that is here on this page. What you'll want to do first is go through the items and find some that are of interest to you. You'll note that some of them have green links that say online access, available at. A link that says online access means that an item can be accessed through a database that SJSU has subscribed to. A link that says available at will tell you that the library has a physical copy of that item and where in the library it can be found. You'll want to click on the icons on the right for various options such as generating citations, saving search results, and emailing your results. If you click on the title of an item which is in the blue text, such as this book here, Library Services and Non-Library Spaces, it will take you to that item's record where you can see different information if you scroll down, such as publisher, identifier, format, description, etc. You'll also be able to see the database and or location of the record of the item located here. Thank you for watching.